Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, we've got a quick pit stop video today. Where are we?
We are at Ed Galloway's Totem Pole Park.
This is going to be located in Chelsea, Oklahoma. Let's go adventuring! Ed started working on this totem pole in 1937 and he didn't complete it until 1948. This is a strong turtle right here, holding up 90 feet of concrete totem pole. Oh yeah, look at this. Dude, did you see all these little scenes that are in the circles? Looks like there's even another face on this side with a snake in the mouth. The paint is in really good shape right now. It looks like they put a new coat on every once in a while. And when this was originally created, the paint was old house paint that was donated by people from around town. Wow. 90 feet tall, 18 feet in diameter with a 54-foot base. It's got these little creatures and stuff hanging out here. Lots of birds.
There's a lot of real birds up there too. Like they have a
Oh yeah, there's like
bird. It's like a birdhouse up there.
That's cool. Wow, this is a sandstone lioness that was carved by Ed in 1915. So that was over 100 years ago. Over here is the gift shop, and it is also surrounded by totem poles.
It used to be Ed Galloway's studio and showroom, and it was built in 1944. It was modeled after the Navajo Hogan and currently houses the only murals that were painted by Ed Galloway's own hands.
There are 300 fiddles that were made by Ed Galloway, and each one was made of a different type of wood. Here's a picture of Ed and his wife in 1958. This area has a nature trail. It also has a dog walking area. They've got bus parking, and there have been a ton of cars that have showed up since we got here. It's definitely a popular spot for people that are traveling Route 66. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Ed Galloway Totem Pole Park.
If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday, and head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure.